Yeah, I was like, why doesn't he just go in the front yard?
Well, I thought we were, because the car's like there, so I thought we were gonna back it out, and I'm like, okay, I guess
the car's all the way back around.
Yeah. Oh, it is? I thought it was not close to this side.
Nah, it's behind the shed, but we gotta push it all
My
around.
bad.
Yeah,
all right,
you're good.
Wanna do some cool shit?
Yeah.
Let's do some cool shit.
Do some cool shit.
What's up, YouTube? My name's Riley. This is my rusty old BMW 2002. It's a 73. It's been in the family since 82, 83. My grandfather bought the car. He was just about the only import mechanic in town, so he always had the weird stuff that you just didn't see in Gas City, Indiana. Every car was a Chevy or a Ford. But, you know, he'd work on old Audis, Alphas, Mercedes, you name it. Always had something cool in front of the house. I think that's really where I get my love European cars and everything from, is from him, and especially weird cars, stuff you don't see every day. So got to do this car justice, get it fixed up right, because it's a family heirloom. It's been in the family forever. My aunt and my mom both learned how to drive on this car, passed their driver's test in this car, loved it. My grandfather wanted to get rid of it, and my mom refused, said absolutely not. So he drove it all the way from Indiana down here to North Carolina, like 96. We restored it, painted it, you know, did an okay job, but you know, age got to it. North Carolina sun's not friendly to old European cars. We're gonna have to do a little edit there because that burped. So anyway, kind of did a paint job on it, did some stuff to it in 96. Car, you know, there were some steps missed the first time it was restored and the second time, but repainted it again about 2014, 2015. Unfortunately, my mother got sick, and the car got neglected it's been neglected since about 2016, just sitting out here. Tried to keep it covered up, but you know, the elements still got to it. But I think we got a good base for a starting project. I think we can make this car a real fun car to drive, cruise in, take to shows, and just keep as a part of the family. I hope to pass it on to my kids. All right, so the sunroof here, this is the original color of the car. It's Malaga, or purple is what my dad liked to call it, the purple turd, because it seemed like every weekend he was working on this car, getting the turn signals to work, or fixing a misfire or something like that. She's a needy girl. But this sunroof was from the first time it got painted. Had it sitting on the top of the car, hit a bump. It was on a trailer. Hit a bump, it flew out and slid across the road and got ran over. So we had to get another sunroof for it. So that's the original color though. If I may want to take it back to the original color, so I'm going to hang on to this so I get a color chip, but I don't know. May keep it orange because my mom loved that color too.
The orange is just better.
I think so too. Yeah. Thank you. They made these cars in all sorts of funky colors. My mom used to have a shirt and it was like 30 2002s and all the factory colors.
Oh, wow, that's a cool shirt.
Yeah. Shirt. All sorts of yellow, like, you know, the 70s was great for crazy colored cars, but
look at that thing. Holy crap.
All right, we already have our first friend.
Get a glass. We need to take him home. Let's take him home. Come on.
That's massive.
Come on.
That's a
Come on.
wolf spider.
That's badass, dude.
Yeah, they're pretty much harmless.
Look at that. That thing's huge.
So, one neat thing, I don't know if this is officially how you adjust the trunk, but I think this is how they figured it out over in Germany. So this clamshell trunk is extremely hard to adjust and get right, because if it's too far forward, down, up, you're gonna chip the quarter panels here, right? So you got this, I figured they got this little oval hole, and then if you look around to the back side, you see the bolts. Well, they line up when you shut the trunk. So we've got an old car, big trunk. I had my brother get inside of it, shut the trunk, adjusted it, and then told him to tighten it down, and it worked out perfectly. So I guess that's how it's done.
That's a GM 2.8 V6.
Yep, out of Camaro.
I got a shovel.
You don't want it.
I know, but it's just cool. It'd be funny to fucking dig a motor up out of your backyard.
Yeah. I had this junk motor. My dad didn't know what to do with it. He was just like, boys, dig a hole. So he just rolled into the damn hole.
Straighten it up for the ramps. Otherwise, we're going to go back and forth a lot. Buddy with the BMW drum card.
Yeah, it's using parts like.
No.
He passed away in 2017, but he was always driving an old Vantage.
That's what my buddy's got.
Yeah, he loves Vantage. He did the old Toyota 1-ton truck. Seriously, like, out of the age of 10, I rode around the back of this car so much. Had so much fun.
Ah, yes.
Yeah, dude, the smoker's windows. I don't know if they go all the way or not.
Oh, I was gonna call them ball coolers.
All coolers, smoker windows, yeah. I love that car. Yeah, the more I look at this, I'm like, oh yeah, she's not bad.
It's get it running first, and then go from there.
Oh, I can get it running, no problem, dude.
That's what I would do. Get it running, get it operating.
It's got Pertronics, electronic ignition in it already. So points are no problem. Honestly, yeah, throw some fuel in it. You could probably just fucking pull masking tape off the intake, dump some fuel in there, and she'd probably fire.
So why did it get parked in the first place?
Because my mom got sick.
Oh, so it wasn't. It's just sitting.
It was just sitting, yeah. It always needed a few little things here and there, but yeah.
I mean, it's a European car, naturally.
Yeah.
We were pushing on it.
It's jammed or something. Fuck.
We were pushing the car quite a bit.
It will open.
Looks like the lock's on.
Let me show you that. That doesn't do a fucking thing, apparently. Yeah, I've got the original keys. BMW logo on them. I've actually got 3 of them. And then this is cool.
Ooh.
BMW 2002. The grill. And yeah, this guy.
So why is it called a 2002?
Because it is a 2-liter 2-door.
Oh.
They had a 1602 with a 1.6 and a 2-door.
Okay.
Yeah. They also had a 1600, I think. It was a 4-door. All right. Step 1.
Get the trunk open.
That's what I'm fucking doing. Come on, bitch. bird. Orange turd. Yeah, it's like it's not hooked up to anything. Kind of felt like it at first. But...
Well, you want a new trunk lid anyways, right? We'll just cut into it.
I don't really want to have to.
No, we don't want to do that. It'll open. Like
Because it looks fine for right now.
It's literally going to open. Like,
It will. I know.
Patience. I'm going to come out here. Yeah, nice Malbec.
I'll give me a
Yeah,
nice bottle of Malbec.
I have.
Talk
I
to
have
us sweetly.
I have a fake fur rug.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
And then what we'll do, set up some candles,
Yeah.
talk nice to it, and I guarantee you push this motherfucker, it'll open. So, you know, like sweet with it.
Yeah.
Like turn the heaters on,
Play some,
shirtless.
Yeah.
Play Yanni. Or like
Play
some Kenny G.
Yanni.
Kenny G.
What
Play
was
some Kenny
that?
G.
What was that guy the chick was listening to in Love Actually? The older lady,
Dude,
and
I
she was
never
getting all
watched Love
sad.
Actually. Are you serious? You watched Love Actually?
That's a great movie.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Yeah, it's actually really good. If you're trying to get laid, put on Love Actually.
No. If I'm trying to get
Especially
laid,
this around the holidays.
if I'm trying to get laid, I'm an asshole. That's just how it works.
All right.
Come on!
You.
Ho! Alright, well, we're gonna hang these on the keyboard.
Food will make us think it's better. I think it probably just locked it. It's not unlocking.
Yeah.
It's definitely locked, it's just not catching it when you turn the fucking thingy. When you turn the thing,
It's almost like there's not even any tumblers in there. It's just.
it'll catch eventually. Fucking Mercedes used to do this shit all the time. So, sweet. Alright, let's close
Yeah,
these
I
fucking
think
doors.
first step action would be to take a cut-off wheels without lock cylinder.
No, it'll open naturally.
Or I could cut a hole in the fucking floor and reach up in there.
No, that's also a terrible idea.
Yeah.
No, we'll get it. It'll come open just naturally.
Yeah.
It's just gonna take a little time.
Got the keys?
Yep, I hung them on the board.
Bye.
So we're good. Hi, I'm Bevan. For the last few years, I've wanted to put together a shop to just build old motorcycles, play with old cars, and drink a lot of alcohol and talk about cool shit. So it's kind of coming to fruition. Made this a company, joined up with the CAR-NIVORES, and we're going to do some badass stuff together. So stay tuned. And I'm going to tow pretty much damn everything because these bums don't have trucks.
Hey!
He's got a truck. He's the only non-bum. Everybody else is bums. Swamp house.
Yes, I'm a freeloader.
There you go. Bam. So, nice to meet everybody. Thanks for checking us out.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're excited to be a part of this project and to film it. Yeah, the fair.
Give her some love.
We'll call this the Heirloom 2002.
No.
Eventually, it'll as the
This
project
shit's
name.
Annie
Project
from,
name.
Daddy Warbucks in that goofy movie
This is
where the chick
Project
had red hair.
4 Generations.
So the project
Generation
name.
4, because it's my granddad's, my mom's, now mine, and I want to get my kids. Generation 4.
You want to have kids?
Not really, but you know what? It makes for a good story.
Nieces and nephews.
Put some trap music over what I just said.
Nieces and nephews.
Yeah.
There you
Honestly,
go.
for my brother and sister to come to our ride shit too.
Obviously, we haven't figured it out yet. So
But it's definitely gonna drift, and it's gonna do some fun shit.
it'll be able to when it runs. That's for
No,
sure.
that's like fucking. That's like tomorrow.
Oh,
Anyway.
it's starting to be like the Ferrari and Ferris Bueller, where they go up over the hill with Star Wars music, just catching air.
That's legit.
Yeah.
I like that.
Well, you'll have to lift it and do a good.
No, it'll be
stitch
fun.
set.
No.
It'll be
No?
fun. Skid
We're just
plates.
gonna run it.
Skid plates
We're
and
just
fucking
gonna run it.
sparks. It'll be
We'll
fun.
definitely piss some people off if we do that.
exactly.
But anyway, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, join our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram. We'll keep you updated on all of this. It's time to eat. Y'all have a good one.
See you next time.
Later.